Unequally yoked. Let's start with a picture. Two people tied together with a yoke. One is pulling towards God and the other is pulling on a different direction. No one starts with the intention of drifting away from faith. It never begins with rebellion. It begins with compromise. The Bible warns, "Be ye not unequally yoked together with unbelievers." 2 Corinthians 6:14. Ellen White explains why this matters. She says that forming a worldly alliance is dangerous, not because it looks evil, but because it slowly weakens spiritual life. At first, the believer still prays, still speaks of faith, still tries to live for God, but now every effort is made against a steady pull in the opposite direction. Soon something changes. You stop talking about your faith, not because you stop believing, but because the other closest to you doesn't care. Silence replaces testimony. Conviction feels awkward. Devotion feels lonely. And Satan quietly weaves a web where faith once lived. Here's the principle. Love for God cannot survive long when it must constantly apologize for itself. Satan doesn't attack loudly. He comes as an angel of light whispering, "Love is enough. They'll change later." God understands. But step by step, duty disappears. God's warning is not restriction, it's protection. Before you bind your destiny to anyone, ask, are we pulling in the same direction? Because marriage and close alliances should move us towards heaven, not slowly teach us how to live without God. Choose wisely. Your future faith depends on it. God bless.